In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can uninstall Microsoft Edge from your Windows 11. And I will briefly cover whether you should remove it even in the first place. It's very important that you already have another browser installed like Google Chrome before installing Edge. Now just go to the search menu, type in Settings, and then just go ahead and open that up. And from Apps in the left side, you will have to go to Default Apps, click on it. And in the search box of Set Defaults for Applications, just go ahead and type in your browser. But in my case, that will be Google Chrome. Now you can click inside of here, and you have to make sure that all these file types are set to your default browser, which is, for my case, is Google Chrome. As you can see here, you can click on it one by one and choose Google Chrome. It's important we do this before we go ahead making any changes on our computer. Now, to actually uninstall Microsoft Edge, all you have to do is to go to a browser and then just go ahead and type in Wise Uninstaller. Now, just go ahead, click on the first one, and then choose Wise Program in Unsolder. This is a free tool, as you can see. Now just go ahead and click on Free Download. And once downloaded, you can just go ahead and click on the application. Now just click on Install, and once done, click on Finish. Now I suggest creating a restore point. Now just go ahead, open that up. That's if you ever want to reinstall Microsoft Edge, you will find it in your restore point. Now just go ahead, name this Edge, click on Create. And once you have the restore point, you can come back to the uninstaller, as you can see. And if you scroll down this list, you will find Microsoft Edge. Now click on it. In the far right side, you will have Force Uninstall. Click on it. Click Yes, and then just wait for it to uninstall. Once done, a message will pop up for you like this. Now just go ahead, click on Select All, and click on Remove. And then once done, you can go ahead and click OK. Now there is a couple things we need to do. Go to the left side, click Microsoft Edge. Click all the options here, and then go ahead, click Uninstall. And once done, you can go ahead on the left side again, click on Internet Explorer, and check the two boxes at the top. These are also related to Microsoft Edge. Now go ahead, click Uninstall. Lastly, just go click on Metro Apps. Now you can scroll down, find Microsoft Edge, or you can just type Microsoft Edge in the search box. Now click on it and then click Save Uninstall. And that's how you completely uninstall Microsoft Edge from your Windows 11. Thank you for watching.